still said, poverty is attracted to the one whose mind is favorable to it, as money is attracted to him whose mind has been deliberately prepared to attract it and through the same laws. He said, poverty. Poverty is attracted to the one whose mind is favorable to it. It didn't say that poverty is attracted to one whose business is bad, whose economy is bad. It didn't say that money is not attracted to one who's born into poverty or doesn't have the right marketing plan. In other words, it's not about the outside circumstances or the country you're born to or what financial status you were born to. It's not about the economy. You're not going to experience poverty unless you're prepared for it. Poverty is attracted to the mind who's favorable to it. That is why you have to train your mind to refuse to any limitations, lack, or poverty.